The Ripple versus SEC lawsuit is now officially over, is what Ripple just posted on their Twitter. And that also led to the XRP price doing some, well, pretty crazy numbers. I mean, ETH just went above 3,900, XRP here back at 332, something along those lines, just absolute crazy performance. And here's the kicker, here's the thing, here's the nice part. This is just the start. I've talked about this before, but in bull markets, these type of things are certainly cool. They're certainly nice, sure. But it's usually what they lead into that's the really big deal. And as we're talking about XRP, I personally feel as if this move right here is also just a start. Now, I don't know where we're going to be at tomorrow, sure. It could be that we're right back down a little bit. But I have a feeling that ETH right now hitting 3,900, XRP right now getting back to 330, this is one of those make or break type of moments where either we break through right now, XRP easily back 366, maybe 450, whatever. It just starts cascading here. Or this is that moment where we break down hard. And the funny thing is, nobody really knows exactly what that specific point. But I'm just saying that the fact that ETH is back at this high spot gives XRP a way higher likelihood to sustain this pump. But keep thinking about it. All the massive other announcements like ETFs, IPO, all that. When you really start thinking about it, none of that is really there. And I'd say that this is just, again, some of the FOMO, some of that excitement. Asia's not woken up yet, though. That's another fun fact. But I'm just saying, the moment, I personally think, that XRP really breaks the high by a good wow, by a good amount. Just like with Bitcoin, I said it before. As it was going to like 109, then 110, then 112, it was not really breaking it with some good numbers. But if you look percentage-wise, the moment that Bitcoin breaks probably like $135,000 in a snap, there's a very good chance that that day we actually see even $150,000 or $160,000. Why? Because following the statistics, the percentage gain, like 25% gain in a day or something like that, is really not that crazy for BTC. And to add to that, it's not that crazy for XRP either. It's literally possible that soon enough, even within this run, we actually go up more than $1 in a day. It's literally possible that we go to bed with a $4.54 XRP and we wake up at a $6 XRP. You guys are laughing at it now maybe, but it's only a 30% move in a day. It's very much possible. And I still personally think that that's basically what's in front of us, in store for us. And so all I'm doing is chilling, looking at my positions. And by the way, if you also want to trade XRP, some people have been texting me some of the just astronomical gains they've been making. If you want to trade, the platform I mostly use is Blowfin. But if you want to trade bots, which is what I also always do, there's some links for that right there. Like you can also copy mine, which are all doing really, really beautiful right now as well. I mean, some of them are still at a loss. Even the 10K challenge is at a loss. But I mean, we already flipped the 10K into 42,000. So the fact that we're down 9K is not that bad, because soon enough, we'll be able to cash out these grids again, reinvest it back. And remember, we only need to reinvest it 92 times, I think. And then we're at $1 million. We're already like 25 or 30 steps in, something like that. So we're doing pretty freaking good on that. And I just keep thinking about like, oh, all I have to do is just really, when I look at this overview, all I have to do is just keep these open, not let them go to zero, basically, by obviously getting liquidated. And thus far, every single one of them, specifically the earlier ones that I opened, look at the crazy numbers they are pulling. And that really motivates me right now to just, all I got to do is just keep adding, shutting up and keeping to add, shutting up and keep adding, shutting up and keep adding. Because when I look at this XRP bot, the fact that it's up 66K, even with only like such a small move in XRP, it's like, oh, damn. It just gets me excited, man. I really just, today, I wanted to make a quick little video stating the XRP lawsuit is officially over. Ripple posted about it. I posted about it over on my Twitter. If you're looking for the exact announcement, here you go. James Filan shared, Ripple XRP breaking news. The parties have found a joint dismissal of appeals. 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗧, something like that. It's already gotten 1.8 million views, which is absolutely crazy for 2 hours. And then Stewart, also the CLO of Ripple, confirmed, hey, this indeed did happen. Both of them, Ripple and the SEC, have formally both filed for with the Second Circuit to dismiss their appeals. This is the end, and now back to business. And that's why I said this is just kind of the start from a certain angle, because this, theoretically speaking, is where Ripple's crazy announcement should be coming out. I stated before, you do not ever want to let crazy announcements go when the market's not hot. So I'm really thinking this could be the moment again where Ripple lets go of some crazy bangers. As you can see, I still got a 1.1, almost 1.2 soon, $1 million long on XRP Open. Even though we're $300,000 in the profit, I'm still letting this go because I see the future for this being crazy. On the opposite side, I also have my bots, of course, that are selling automatically, as the price moves up and down and up and down. I'm loving every single part of this right now. I'm so freaking excited. You can't see it, but that's because I got to board a flight in literally some minutes here. And it's, but anyway, I'm super excited. Craziest of times. And I'm mostly excited for what this brings for the near future. And I hope you guys have a little moment of joy as well. Just a little clap. We played the Pump It Up song during the stream early today. I'm just having a really good day. I hope you guys are having a good day as well. That's about it, really. Make sure you press that like button if you had a good day. And let me know down below. Let me know down below. What do you think is going to happen next? Do you think this is going to be crazy? Or do you think this is the end? Let me know. I've been thinking about it for a while.